Good morning. By now you should have already finished Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 2. So you should have completed the Number Gym, Discovery Canyon, Learning Lab, Tower of Power, and the bonus by now. After you're done with the lesson, you're going to be going into Seesaw and completing the exit ticket assignment. In this video, I'm going to be going through how to solve those two problems. I am going to be using different numbers than in the exit ticket you guys are completing, but the types of math is the same. Make sure to read the step-by-step instructions before you begin your assignment. Make sure to double check all of your answers and to tap the green check button to submit and add to your math journal. The first question you're looking at is how to decompose a number into two parts. So the fraction we're looking at in this example is 5/8. So right here, it already gives you 5/8 broken down into 5 different parts. So each part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just decomposed into 5 parts. Down here, now we're only going to be decomposing it into 2. So I know my denominator is not going to change because I'm not changing what the fraction is. I'm just changing how many pieces I'm breaking it into. So I'm still looking at 8s. I'm just going to look at different groupings of 8. So there's a few ways you could do this. I'm going to start off by just picking out 2 of my 8s. So 5/8 is equal to 2/8 plus, how many more 8s do I need to box to make 5? So I see 1, 2, 3 more 8s left over. So 2/8 plus 3/8 is equal to 5/8. And you can double check that by counting. Right here, I have 1/8, 2/8, and then moving on, I have 1, 2, 3/8. So 2/8 plus 3/8 is equal to 5/8. The next problem you'll have on your exit ticket has 2 different steps asking a couple different things. So step 1 is to draw and shade a tape diagram of the given fraction. The fraction I'm putting on this example is 7/8. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my big tape diagram. Then I need to split it into 8 equal pieces, right? So now it's in 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the whole number is not shaded. Only 7/8 are. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I didn't fill in my whole bar because the whole bar is equal to 1. And the fraction given is not equal to 1 whole. I only have 7/8 to fill in. Step 2 is to record record the decomposition of the fraction in 3 different ways using number sentences. So that's like looking back on the first problem that we did where we broke that fraction apart into different groupings. So I'll do this first one in blue. So 7/8 is equal to, let's see how I want to break this up first. Well, last time I started by just looking at 2/8. So I'm going to do that again. So 2/8 plus, let's see how many more pieces of that fraction we need to equal 7/8. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more shaded in pieces of our fraction that we have not already counted. So that is 5/8. So I know one way to break this number apart is 7/8 is equal to 2/8 plus 5/8. So even though I did one way of decomposing 7/8, the directions say to decompose it in 3 different ways. So when you're doing your exit ticket, you need to have 7/8 is equal to, and then some broken up number, at least 3 different ways. You can break it up and decompose it into as many parts as you want. Just make sure you find 3 different ways, okay? If you have any questions, please message me.